So Ivan, VMware Cloud on AWS. Why would I be interested in this offering when they are Google, they are Azure, AWS itself? They're also, hyper-converged solutions like Nutanix. There's so much out there that gives me a cloud experience. Why would I go to VMware as the virtualization company to get my cloud?
Yeah, absolutely. So we at VMware, using our vSphere hypervisors, are running over 80% of the workloads that customers have today on premises. Per customer, that's 100, in some cases, thousands of different applications. If these customers want to migrate these applications to the cloud to take advantage of the elastic dynamic and just geographic presence of a cloud, being able to take the existing infrastructure that they have and just simply move it over to a cloud environment is the key benefit, the key value of offerings like VMware Cloud on AWS.
Right, but then there are my DevOps guys, my people who want to have releases every second minute ideally, and the developers, they want the latest and greatest APIs, right? They don't want to wait for somebody to upgrade to another Kubernetes version. They want everything. They want the latest Amazon stuff. They want the latest Azure stuff, and they want all of this right away. So does this go together with VMware Cloud on AWS?
Yeah, absolutely. So this was one of the key tenets that we try to strive to achieve with this offering. So specifically, we worked very closely with AWS to integrate the VMware environment that's running in the AWS data centers with the native AWS environment, so that our customers who want to either build applications or modernize applications can do that as if they were running out of a native cloud.
Hmm. So you get that direct connection if you want to use Lambda, if you want to use RDS or any of those services, you can do that, and you are basically on the same network. So the latency
Yeah,
is.
Yeah, absolutely. I think one of the big pieces of engineering work that we've done, we've connected the two environment. We create this elastic network interface between them. So any traffic that's going between the customer's VMware, SDDC, the software-defined data center, and their VPC, their virtual private cloud, going over this network connections. It's high performance, low latency, high bandwidth. It's a secure direct connection,
Mhm.
and customers get to use the services as if they were running out of native EC2.
Right. And then it's also interesting. I can also get an edge cloud from you, right, with your house-made VX Rail and have the same cloud foundation, the same vSAN, vSphere, NSX, and port it to, to a refrigerator somewhere in a branch office or in an oil rig.
Yeah, no, that's absolutely the idea. Yeah, we are taking the VMware software-defined data center. VMware Cloud Foundation is the product to do that, and have VMware Cloud Foundation running on different platforms, including at the edge locations, as you mentioned, oil rigs, refrigerators, cash registers, and anything else, and give customers a consistent operating experience across the different environment, irrespective of whether they're running that VMware Cloud Foundation stack.
Yeah. And I think that is the interesting piece, right? We see AWS coming out with Outpost. We see Azure with Azure Stack. We see Google with a lot of partners on the market to get their Anthos as into a hybrid shape. But VMware is in an interesting position where you guys have literally probably 500,000 customers on vSphere, and it's quite naturally to port those customers, and that is your big chance there to get a significant chunk out of this cloud business. So, thank you very much, Ivan.
But you're welcome, anytime.
Okay.